Right, my people, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Learn Forex with East. This is Samande, and of course, as you all know, in today's market, we'll be talking about what we call market outlook. For many of you that know about market outlook already, I want to congratulate you because you know that it's a time for you to make money. You know that it's another opportunity for you to flip your account, for you to make crazy money. Of course, last week market outlook. I'm not gonna be going back to that again because I want you to go and watch a video. I've done a simple video on that, and some of the pairs we played we put out there last week that played out perfectly and accordingly. Most of them we gained up to about 70-80%, and most of our pairs that we give out weekly like this for market outlook. So if you're not joining the very first time, I want to urge you, please and please, why not subscribe to this channel? And of course, you can as well join us on Telegram so we can learn more on this. And this is what we do on this channel. I believe you're going to be learning more. So for today's market, we're going to be going on gold. The first trade is gold. Many of you have noticed that lately we have been embracing gold. Gold. Are you aware with me? We are saving gold and we have been cleaning it back to back to back. There was a pair, okay, I don't want to do that. There was a pair that gave us about 10,000 pips last week. We catch it so sniper from here, and we keep buying, selling. That was crazy, guy. When we chopped around here, actually, keep buying. That was crazy. But today, I'm gonna be looking. We look for buy on go. We looked that already last week Friday, and I believe that she's gonna be doing a longer buy. And to this point here, let me show you why. Let me tell you why. So if you are ready for this new week, gold should be buying massively. The last time we had a double top was the market structure changes and it pulled. Then it's coming back to that market structure changes. I tell you something that if market, for example, you want to buy fuel and you have a car, your fuel price is $10 as at today. The next day, the couple of months, the fuel prices jumps to $30, and then on a sudden, the price came back from 30 to $10 again. What will happen to you? You're like, oh my gosh, this is what I wolf. Let me got this right away now so I can feel my fuel, my devices, my this, my that, my generators, all my cars, so that I can save much more for myself. Am I talking to somebody? This is exactly what is going to be happening. So that is why I'm going to be what we're going to be doing a possible buy. That is a layman explanation. If I don't want to complicate things with the chat or TA anything, I just want to explain to you in layman form. That's what it means. So there's going to be a reaction at that point. People will get to buying because of what market came back to hit the lower prices when it was again before. We used to tell you that what you buy when it's low and you sell when it's high. Good. So at that structure, yeah, people will react to it again. Wow, gold has come down. Let me quickly what react buy so I can make money on gold. So there's going to be a trigger at this AOC here. There's what's called area of concentration here. So this was the last low we had. The market is coming back to last low. Just wait for confirmation. Just wait for this candle to turn blue. One is or a new candle that will open just come blue, and that will give you a confirmation. Once it's open and closes, 4 hour candle closes as a bullish. Once it closes or take away all of these lows, boom, the buy will be long to this point here. Please find your entering. But for me and my groups, we are entered already. We are in this buy actually already. We are in this market buy already. So we are making it already. Sniper. We are making it sniper. First, that was my first trade for the week. Another trade I want to look at for the week is EURJPY. EURJPY. Let me tell you why I'm looking for buy again on EURJPY. Let me show you I'm looking for buy. Let me show you why I'm looking for buy again. Let me show you. Yeah, good. The last time we had a low, we had a high here. Then from the high, we milk it, the market came back to form a what? A high. Then move again and came back to come and come from a base, more or less like a base and other flow here. Aside from that, we have an area of concentration at this point. Can you see? The what we call area of concentration at this point here. Market did a double bottom, then took a big higher high, then came back to come and do a retest on above this, not under, above it. You can see this candlestick closes above. That is a strong confirmation. Daily candlestick closing above this our cycle level here. There is strong confirmation. I don't. Do you understand, guys? Very simple, guys. So closes above, can you see? And again, 4 hour engulf this. So this should definitely continue a buy. Market might open with a gap and a massively buying a lot like that. So this I'm looking for a mighty buy. Mind you, any trade we are giving you here, guys, you should all know that our trade is what for the whole of the week. Once we tell you to sell, we are selling for the whole of the week. Once we tell you to long, we are long for the whole of the week. And once it's a bit, so you get, so our trade is always amazing and beautiful. So once you're catching it, you're catching for the whole of the week, and you're able to make it present money, just like the one we did on gold. We did about 10,000 pip dollars, 10,000 pips on gold alone. For the whole of the week, it keeps selling and selling and selling. So same thing is going to be happening again on some of this pay I'm giving you right now. For this as well, for USD card, USD. Oh no, I'm not seeing anything yet. This one is not confirmed yet, but we're expecting it to come down to this point. Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you. Expecting it to come down to this point. Give me a confirmation. Probably a week. Give me a week at this point. Give me a week. I don't think to give me a week. Yeah, come down to this point. Give me a week to source confirmation. Then we can launch. But this one's not mature yet. It might take a while. It might took up to Tuesday or Wednesday before it mature, but it's not mature yet. But can give me a week rejections at this point, give me confirmations or some other things, create another flow for me here, then I can find my entry. If not, I will stay out of Euro USD for now because it's not mature yet. It's not mature yet, yeah. It's not mature yet. So my next pair is also CHF, USD CHF. You can see we have the first bounce, second bounce, third bounce, and the last bounce here. So this one should definitely be bringing should bounce. If it doesn't, you have to wait for it. Watch out for the bounce. Watch out for the bounce. Right? If I see another candle that closes in a bearish candle, then another one is about to open, trying to retest. We can enter the counter trend, and then put our stop loss here. Then of course short for euro for USD CHF. I'm sure there should definitely be a bounce. Can you see? After the market took away this low, market has not retested at all. So the bounce should retest to this point here. Yeah, this one should sell. I'll watch out for this one. This one is still quite considerable. Yeah, unlike the USD, this one. This one is still just a counter trend actually. It's still quite good. It's not bad. Yeah, just a counter trend, guys. Just a counter trend market. It's not really bad. You'll be watching it just as a market, guys. Not really bad, yeah. Just counter market. So aside from that, I'll also be looking at another pair, which is what GBPJPY. GBPJPY. This one also we are longing. We are longing, guys. We are longing, guys. This is crazy, guys. The last time we had a high year, the last time we had a low year. After this market is coming back again to come up to one, two, three. Remember, I should tell you for every touch, that's the best time to always enter. Once you see a first touch, second touch, just wait for the touch. The third touch is the best. Our market is already doing a touch. Not just only that, it's also doing a weak rejections on our cycle level. It's also creating an order flow at that junction. Let me also show you. Aside from that, let me show you guys what it's doing. Let me show you guys. Can you see? So we are believing in what if market can take the way this last low, push you test on above it, you can enter and buy. Till possibly something around here. Someone around here. But your first take profit should be here because there is reaction at this point. First take profit and your last one should be here. Second should be here, the last should be here. Because you might want to do what? Edge and shoulder. Then to create a reversal. This is a shoulder, this is the edge, and I might want to end up at this point here to create a reversal. So your first should be here, second should be here, and third should be here. So that's it on GJ. I'm certain this one should be a mighty long, guys. Please catch on of this pair. They're gonna be going crazily long, crazy one, guys, crazy, guys. So my last, but not the late, my last for the week is USD card. Let me see what I'm seeing on USD card. What am I seeing on USD card? And super pump because this trade is gonna be playing well, perfectly well. I'm not seeing anything here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here. Okay, I think I'm interested in the card JPY. I'm interested in the card JPY. Okay, I think that's all for today, guys. I will stop for here. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much, and let me know the pair that you'll be trading on all of this was. I wish you an amazing week and bye for now.